In the beginning, we can design a pool, a sea lion, and a little boy with cubebacks. Adjust the view. Add blocks. We can add blocks by dragging. Stack a cube you want. After finish our design, click the button to print it. Then we can print the sea lion with cubebacks. On the right, there are pre-designed models. Select the sea lion and place it on grid. When complete, click Print. Select from the models. Click Little Boy and drag it on the grid. And print. Besides, we can make a dolphin and tropical fish by hang jacks. Click the Image Library. Click the plus button to add our picture. Drag the button to fit the image. The next step is to make an eye by using the eraser and shape. After that, add joints to the model. Now it's done. We can make a tropical fish by the same method. When we take out the model, use a pencil and paint markers to color models.